Welcome to Lesson 7 for this semester's criminal law course. At this point now, we've completed the midterm exam. We will review it during this or prior to this lesson. Hopefully it was not an issue. You were able to apply many of the concepts we've learned up to this point. In the exam, we will not be going back for the final exam and addressing any of these prior issues. Everything on the final exam will be from Lesson 7 on forward through the end of the class. This week we are going to be looking at crimes against children. I will not be going really in depth on a lot of these crimes simply because a lot of this content, or some of it at least, is covered under juvenile law or in the juvenile law course. I do think it's important we look at 3 specific crimes, and those are addressed in the learning objectives: the crimes of sexual assault of a child, physical abuse of a child, and neglecting a child. Each of those we will address in class, we'll discuss specifically, and we will do some in-class learning activities related to those. Prior to this class, there will be due pre-class quiz as well as the text review questions. There was no survey due before this class. We don't do surveys from the week of the midterm exam, and there is also not an out-of-class assignment for the midterm exam. So make sure you keep up with the reading assignments. Make sure you keep up with the reading of the state statutes. And again, as with our prior week in the sexual assault investigations, I do not require anyone to be here for this lesson, this content. It can be very traumatic, traumatizing. It can be very disturbing to people who've experienced things or know people who've experienced certain situations. So I think this is important for us to learn and to know, but I certainly do not make you here or make you required to be here in any event. So if that's an issue with you, you have concerns, please contact me. You don't need to explain anything to me. Just let me know you will not be here, and we'll work out some type of alternative exam or information. Please contact me with any concerns and or questions, and we will see you in class.